Gain immediate access to your Zillow Premier Agent account to manage your profile and leads with ease. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to Zillow.com. Once on the home page, locate the agent link usually found in the top navigation bar, or search for Zillow Premier Agent to find the direct login page. You'll then arrive at the dedicated Zillow Premier Agent login page. Here, you'll see fields prompting for your account credentials. First, enter the email address associated with your Zillow Premier Agent account into the designated email field. Below that, input your secure password into the password field. Ensure both are entered accurately. After carefully entering both your email and password, locate and click the Sign In button. This action will submit your credentials for verification. If you happen to forget your password, simply click on the Forgot Password link located just below the Sign In button. This will guide you through the secure password reset process to regain access. Upon successful authentication, you will be redirected to your Zillow Premier Agent dashboard. From here, you can seamlessly manage your leads, update your profile, and access all the powerful tools designed to help grow your business. Now you're ready to take full control of your Zillow Premier Agent account and leverage its features effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.